For decades, people have been using recessed cans in drop ceiling applications. Whether it was drywall or ceiling panels, you saw one of these, accepted a halogen or an incandescent bulb, and that worked fine. Used a lot of energy, but it worked fine. Well, then LED came along and they developed recessed Downlight retrofit cans. So you have something like this that screws into this and you just stick it up in there, and that works fantastic for existing applications. The challenge came for new construction where they were brand new ceiling tiles. So what we have now are products that just fit into here. And all you need to do is cut a hole in this ceiling tile using a drywall saw or a hole saw if you have one. And that just will put a hole in there, and that will accept the new product without the need or expense of a recessed can. For new construction or major renovations where you have no recessed cans, MaxLite has come out with the new J-Box Downlight. Here's your J-Box right here on the top of it. Looks like an old car stereo speaker. So here's what you do. You take your panel, you cut your 5.5-inch hole, run your wires down through the ceiling, right in here. You connect your black and your white to these quick connects. Put them back in like this. Stick this back together, probably quicker than I'm doing it right now. There we go. And you take this, stick it up in the ceiling, add it to it, and there it is. See those? Very strong springs. If you're wondering about the ground wire, you just cap it. Make sure you check with your local electrical codes, building inspectors, etc. Make sure this will all work for you locally. It's a fantastic product. Okay, here's our 5.5-inch hole. I'm going to work this in here, hopefully not draw any blood. Good news is the flange on the Downlight will cover any defects. But since it's not, that's all. So we're going to pretend right now that the wires are connected right through here. Where the wire comes in, meets inside that little door we showed you earlier. Take these, put it like this, stick it up through the hole, get your fingers out of the way, and there it is. Perfectly flush, and again, with the gasket if you have an air handling system above your ceiling tiles.